Hey, so I'm getting ready to go ahead and start doing an exterior evaluation on a 2019 Grand Design Momentum. And so stay with me and we'll see what we can find. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so here I am in the front of the coach. And so some of the things I'm going to look at, I'm looking at how is the conditions of the decals. And as you can see, the sun's been kind of hitting on them and fading them. Looking at the LED lights strips that are on the front, checking out the lights, checking out the pin box. Things that I'm looking for on the pin box, this one actually has an Anderson attachment to it. So I'm going to check that to make sure that that's okay, that his chains are okay. I'm looking at stuff like the breakaway, how's the cord, the wiring. I'm looking at what we refer to as the umbilical cord or the 7-way. And so as you can see how that's all dirty and corroded. And then you can see how all the pins are so far spread apart on that. And then, I'm also checking for signs of, is there anything wrong with the pin box bolts? Is all the release brackets good? Again, if there's anything that's broken, loose, cracked, any welds, so I'm looking at the welds on the frames. I'm looking for any kind of signs of anything that's wrong or an issue with it. Are all the bolts tight? Do I see any rust marks or lines from them? Like here, is there any rust lines? Is there anything that's loose or moving around? So just a couple other things to take a peek at. I'm going to continue to walk around the coach and probably going to be stopping and starting a lot as I find things. So, I'm looking to see like, why is there an indentation here? As the screws backing out, see how much higher this is to that. As the screws backing out underneath the molding. I'm looking to see if they added, the drip hole here at the bottom to see if there's not. I want you to take a 1/4-inch drill bit, or like this one, I think they did an 1/8, and drill a hole here, because what happens is as this sealant on this ridge shrinks up, it allows water and dirt to go back behind this and the screw cover and get trapped in here, which then gets trapped in the molding, gets trapped underneath the wall edge, which can run down and hopefully come out the bottom there. It'll get trapped in the insert molding underneath, and it can get trapped in the undernose material and cause damage there too. To see more of exterior evaluations on this unit, click right over here. And to hear more about one of our favorite products, click right over there. I've got tons of content just like this. I hope you subscribe to us and don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you so much.